Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 24 on RHEL 8 or 9 versions. First open any web browser, also open terminal first. Verify whether we have the Java installed or not. Java -version. See, Java command not found. So Control C. So we don't have Java. In this video I am going to download the latest version of the Java. First go to RHEL.com and download the Java JDK 24. At the time of making this video, the latest release is 24. Now click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. Then see here we have the latest version 24 and the latest stable release is JDK 21. Okay, but if you want older versions like 21, 20, 23, 22 or etc., you can click on this Java archives. There you will find all older versions. Scroll down. See here we have the all older versions of the Java JDK. Okay, so go back, then click on downloads. See, in this video we are going to download the latest release, that is Java JDK 24. So select Java JDK 24, then select the Linux, then select the x64 RPM package. So click on this RPM package. See, download started and its size is 232 megabytes. Okay, now open terminal. Now go to terminal. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, cd, go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the JDK. Let us install sudo rpm -ivh. Then give JDK, give the tab, hit enter. Put the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now run Java -version. See, we have installed Java JDK 24. Okay, now we can create the Java programs and compile and execute it. Okay, so ls, this file is not required because we have successfully installed. JDK, give the tab, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 24 on RHEL. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.